What's up, man?
Just bugging.
Hey guys, look, we're pulling up.
VWs Riders of Ocala.
Yep, we're here.
We are here.
Let's go see all those sweet rides.
Oh yeah.
Look who it is. It's Bentley the man. What's up, man?
What's going on?
What's she doing over here? Making some signs?
Yeah, man.
Ooh, yeah, Mexican. Looks sweet, man. What's up? Aircooled fool.
You getting your stuff? Oh yeah, I got.
What's up, man? Nice seeing you. Look who it is. What's up, man? Doing pretty good. And look, Jose, guys, with the 71 blue and black. Look! So, hey, P. Haney. It's great seeing him here. So, man, nice seeing you. So, man, nice seeing you. Check them out, link down in the description. 2 scrumptious diddly-umptious tacos.
Yeah.
After eating some jam-up tacos, we ordered 2 more tacos.
Yeah, that's great, man.
Great, definitely check them out. And there goes Jose with the 71 blue and black.
Black and blue.
See you, man. Nice seeing you.
Who's that?
Yeah, it is. Round 2.
Round 2. They were so good, I could not resist. I needed another.
Yum, yum.
Yum, yum.
There goes Bentley. There goes Cloud. See you, man. Another great VW event. Definitely go check them out. Links down in the description. Ocala VW Riders. Come out, be a part of the scene, part of the VW family. Bring your Volkswagen out.
Good time in Ocala. Ocala VW Riders. Yes.
Check them out.
First time. Just bugging.
Just bugging. Thanks for watching, guys.
Many months later.
This video is from June 5th of 2022, but it was from the first ever VWs Invade Ocala event hosted by the Ocala VW Riders. Bring your Volkswagen out this weekend on April 15th, Saturday, and bring it to the VWs Invade Ocala event hosted by the Ocala VW Riders. I'll leave the link down in the description. We'll be there. We'll have a booth selling merch, also giving away a t-shirt, hopefully for whoever the winner is. We have their size left in stock. Should have our 1973 Super Beetle convertible there, which we have not made a video about yet. I just want to say very sorry for the delay in the release of a video. I ended up having a hard drive corrupt on me and ended up losing 45 unreleased videos, and luckily I have backups, but now I'm in the process of dragging and dropping from one hard drive to another, reorganizing everything, so it might take a bit. And this all started because of an issue with Final Cut Pro. Once I get Final Cut Pro fixed and get all that organized back, then we'll get back on a regular schedule of uploading once every week or 2 weeks. Stay tuned. Got tons of videos coming here in the future. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy it, hit the like button. Comment down below if you're coming this weekend or not. And we thank you guys all for the support. If you guys love the channel and all the content, definitely hit that subscribe button and show us some love. Have a just buggin' of a day. Meet Peggy. If you've been watching our channel for a long time now, you'll recognize her, or her sweet convertible Beetle that she did all the interior work by herself, along with the beautiful motor that her and her husband detailed. She first appeared in one of our videos 2 years ago at the VDUB factory swap meet and show. This car was super cool. I sat here and talked to the owner of this car for a long period of time, and I just really liked the idea of how she wrapped everything with like this flowery print. I kind of want to do something like that, but with checkerboard print to my car. But the story was really cool, and she named it after her mother, Lucy, which passed away. And then she appeared in another VDUB factory swap meet and show video a little bit later. Hey, I think that's the same girl.
Yeah, that's Lucy.
That is sweet. Remember this in the last VDUB video. Sweet ride you got here.
You can tell it's a girl's car, right?
Yeah, yeah. But she did that all by herself. That's sweet.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Cool.
yeah. I've never seen any VW like that. That's all right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, my husband did the powder coating, but we rebuilt the engine together.
Yeah. Sweet. Beautiful car.
Say it looks good.
Yeah. You'll see it in another video.
All right.
You have a good day. And then she appeared in our Bug Jam series for 2021. Look who it is. It's Lucy.
Hey, how you doing?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Seeing you earlier.
Yeah.
Dad here?
Yep.
Yeah, we didn't know if we were gonna come. The wife said it's gonna be freezing. I said it ain't gonna be freezing.
Good seeing you again. Oh, it was freezing last night.
I'm Ed.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, it's good to see you. I knew you wouldn't miss this.
Hey, how you doing? Pretty good. It's always great seeing Lucy. Well, you guys have a great day. I'll see you around. Peggy was a very sweet, kind Volkswagen lover that loved showing off the door panels, the glove box, and all the other interior work that she did herself. The Just Buggin family would like to send all of our condolences and much love to Ed and Peggy's family. Rest in peace, Peggy. This video is in memory of her, the last Just Buggin video she appeared in.